Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So I wanted to share with you how you can decorate your home last minute using some Dollar Tree items for the 4th of July. So I wanted to share with you how I made these two last minute patriotic DIY home decor items using Dollar Tree supplies. So the first one we're going to be making is quite simple, and you can use it like I wanted to, a napkin ring, or you can use it just to decorate around your home. The first thing you're going to need is some of this large garden wire, and they have quite a few different colors at Dollar Tree. I just so happen to have the gold. So I wrapped it around a paint bottle. You can wrap it around anything you may have that's large enough for a napkin ring. Then once you wrap it around, go ahead and get some of these foam stars. And what you're going to do is just kind of poke a hole with the ends of each one of these rings through that star. And then you're going to add some hot glue to that end and then put the star right back into that ring. And there you have it. Now you're going to do that to both ends of your ring. So just poke a hole just to make it easier once you want to insert that star right back into that ring. And then you're just going to go ahead and add some hot glue and insert it again and let it completely dry. And there you have it, your first napkin ring. Super easy, so quick to make. You can make tons of these. Like I said, you can use these as napkin rings, and that's what I originally thought of making them. But once I had them already set up, I thought, wow, these are really cute to add in different areas, just as a filler on a tier tray or even around a candle. It would look so cute as well. Let me know how you're going to use yours down below. So here's the same thing. Just grab any color you want, poke a hole into that foam star, and then use some hot glue at the end of each one of the wiring rings, and then go ahead and insert your star right back in there just to make sure it stays in place. So our next DIY, what I'm going to share with you how I made is this adorable star tassel. And all you're going to do is grab some jute twine, and you're going to go ahead and cut two pieces, one a little bit longer than the other. Then grab anything that you may have that's long enough for you to wrap around to form your tassel. So just make sure the size is the size you want your tassel to be. Then go ahead and grab the shorter piece of jute twine. You're going to insert it wrap it around your jute twine that you wrapped around whatever object you may have. Double knot it, then go ahead and pull it off of your tape was what I used. Then go ahead and grab the other piece of jute twine, and you're going to wrap it around the top part of what's going to be your tassel to form your tassel eye. And again, you can make as many as you want, just depending on how large of your garland that you're going to want to make. I made about 5 of these. So once you're done tying that around it to form your eye, go ahead and cut the bottom and just fix it up. Make sure they're all the same length, and there you have it, your tassels. So now what I did was I just grabbed some of this yarn and a needle, and this is actually from Dollar Tree as well, where all the hair products are at, and this is a yarn for wigs. So if you want to use the same thing I am, just go ahead and look for it there. Then I'm just going to make a little hook at the end of my thread in order for me to hang it, and just double knot it and cut off any of that excess yarn. And then just go ahead and start forming your garland. And now how I'm going to use for my garland is I'm going to use some of these square wooden beads that I grabbed from Dollar Tree as well. So just grab any kind of foam item that you may use. I'm going to use again these stars that I have, and I just grabbed the largest ones that they have in the package. Then I just threaded it through my needle. Really easy, super fast to make. And then you can easily make this again as long as you want, how wide you want it, or how many stars you want to add on there. It's completely up to you. What I did was I just inserted about 4 beads after I did inserted my star. Then I'm going to go ahead and tie a tassel around the thread as well, just to make the tassel hang right in between my beads. and just double knot that tassel. Then grab 4 more beads and then go ahead and thread those through your needle and thread again. So you can make any kind of pattern you want. You can even color the beads as if you want as well, or paint them any color you like. I actually like the color that they came, so I just left them as is. Then just grab your other star and do the same thing again. Thread it through your needle and thread. And then add your beads and then go ahead and add another tassel. So that's just the pattern that I made. Again, you can make any kind of pattern you like. This is really adorable, not just to hang on any kind of mantle. You can put this on a tablescape, backyard barbecue. You can hang it around your door or even make a wreath with this as well. So there's different options that you can make this project for and use it around your home. And this is one of these projects that you just keep in mind to do for any holiday. Actually, you can just change up the tassels for some ribbons for New Year's or for Christmas. Change the stars, or you can even use the stars for Christmas as well. But you can use any kind of foam item that they may have. The foam stars and all the foam items that I see at Dollar Tree are usually called vase fillers, and they typically have them for every holiday. So you can actually make this garland for every holiday and every season as well, just depending on what kind of foam item you want to insert into your garland. So once you're done adding all of the garland pieces that you want to add, just go ahead and make another loop at the end and just double knot your thread as well there in order for you to hang it up if you'd like to hang this garland up anywhere. And I like to do this even if I'm not going to hang it, because you never know, the following year you might want to pull it out and use it for something different. So after you double knot it, just go ahead and cut off that excess yarn, and there you have it, your adorable patriotic garland. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.